Today we're going to talk about a couple different elements of art. I know a couple weeks ago you talked about line as an element of art with Miss Mary. With this next artist that we're going to be studying, we will be using line. We will also be using a couple different elements of art, such as color and shape. So to start, you will need two different pieces of paper, one to practice your shapes on, extra paper if you want to practice more on your shapes, and you will need your colors, red, yellow, and blue, paintbrush, water, and some sort of cloth, pencil, and a Sharpie. I'm going to use a Sharpie. You guys can use your pencil. So to start, let's talk about our shapes. What are some shapes? A circle is a shape. A square is a shape. We have triangles. We have rectangles that can go tall, which is vertical. If you go up and down, it's vertical. Or we have rectangles that can go long, which are horizontal. They go from side to side. Can you think of some other shapes? Pause the video, take a second, draw some more shapes on your paper. I took a second to draw two more shapes on my paper. Do these shapes look familiar? This is a shape that we often use to represent a house. What about this shape? Have you seen this shape out and about before? This is the shape that we use to represent a stop sign. Mix and match, fill your paper with lots of shapes. Have fun! Now, let's talk about color. Color is all around us. You might have color in the grass because it's green. You have color in the sky, it's blue. You have color on your clothes. Color is all around us. Let's talk about our primary colors. Your primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Those are our primary colors. We also have colors that are called secondary colors. Those are colors that we get when we mix together the three primary colors. Are you ready to mix? Let's get mixing. Our secondary colors. Our secondary colors are purple, orange, and green. We take red and blue mixed together to get purple. Red and yellow mixed together to get orange. And yellow and blue mixed together to get green. We will talk more about our secondary colors next week. This week, you just need to remember what the main primary colors are: red, yellow, and blue. For this week's lesson, I want you to practice your shapes. Fill your paper with different shapes. Big shapes, little shapes, and then I want you to paint your shapes. On my paper, I used the 4 basic shapes. I want you to be creative. Use your house shape. Use the stop sign shape. Use lots of different shapes. Each shape, you're going to paint a different color using your primary colors. Happy painting! Next week, we're going to talk about overlapping shapes and adding our lines as an element and our secondary colors. I'll see you next week.